Extension of remote heating systems through hot tapping during operation. Make sure that the BROEN BALLOMAX tools are complete. Check the tools before use. Thread plus seals must not be damaged. Check the tools before use. The seal consists of 3 PTFE plus C packing rings. Only use original parts. Check the tools before use. The brass thrust ring must protrude from the casing. Mounting the centering drill. Fix the centering drill with the flat side through the grub screw. Mounting the centering drill. The center drill should protrude 10 mm beyond the hole saw. Combination of hole saw holder plus hole saw. There are 2 types of hole saws. These hole saws are combined with the small holder. These hole saws are combined with the large holder. Insert the holding pins into the holes of the hole saw. The hexagon nut fixes the holding pins in the hole saw. Check centering drill. The center drill should protrude 10 mm beyond the hole saw. Combine hole saw holder and boring bar. The short boring bar is used up to DN50 reduced, DN40 full bore. The cap is removed. Dismantle the cap. The operating mechanism is under the cap. Operate BALLOMAX hot tapping valve. Ensure that the correct tool is available to operate the tapping valves. Use tapping oil. Use tapping oil spray or tapping oil for the tapping hole. Insert complete boring bar. Make sure that the tapping valve is completely open and that the hole saw can be inserted without resistance. Mounting the adapter. The adapter is hand tightened. Tools are not required. BROEN hot tapping tool in the adapter screws. Mounting is also carried out here without additional tools. Before starting the drilling, for safety reasons, a leakage test must be carried out for the tool, plus the nozzle welds. Before starting the drilling, test time 1 minute with 0.2 to 0.5 bar. Before starting the drilling, spray tool plus nozzle weld or observe pressure gauge. Before starting the drilling, there must be no leakage. Preparation of the tapping. Loosen the knurled screw minimally so as not to jam the boring bar. Mounting the drill stand. The side with the black lever is mounted on the BROEN hot tapping tool. Mounting the drill stand. The upper part is placed over the boring bar. Mounting the rinsing hose. The rinsing hose, discharge hose, must be suitable for steam. Securing the rinsing hose, discharge hose. The hose must be secured and must not hit. Drilling machine. Speed control required. 1,300 watt minimum. 40 Nm plus. Diameter 43 mm Euro neck. Drilling machine. Set the machine to the correct speed according to the operating instructions. Mounting the drilling machine. Connect the drill firmly to the drill spindle. Mounting the drill stand. Firmly connect the drill stand to the drilling machine. Mounting the drill stand. Screw in the hand lever on the drill stand. Function of the drill stand. The drill stand provides central pressure on the boring bar. Use the specified PPE. Leather provides good short-term protection against hot water. The right speed and a moderate feed rate from the tool are important for good tapping. Flush valve. The flush valve remains open during the entire tapping process. Drilling with the BROEN BALLOMAX drilling system. Make sure the feed is light and the speed is correct. The drilling is done in 2 steps. A. The center drill bores through the pipe. Sawing with the BROEN BALLOMAX tapping system. The drilling is done in 2 steps. B. The hole saw cuts through the pipe. The hole saw has sawn out the disc and slides into the main pipe. Pull back the boring bar. Allow the boring bar to rotate slowly and pull back the boring bar to the end stop. Tighten the gland nut and thereby clamp the drill spindle. Close BALLOMAX tapping valve. Check that no more water comes out of the discharge hose. Close flush valve. Flush valve is now closed to dismantle the discharge hose. Carefully open the flush valve. Some water comes out of the tapping tool briefly, but then there should be no more leakage. Disassembly of the individual BROEN system parts. During disassembly, the flush valve remains open. Then the tool is depressurized. Disassembly of the individual BROEN system parts. Separate adapter plus main tool from each other. Then dismantle the adapter from the BALLOMAX tapping valve. Remove the perforated disc from the hole saw. Check hole saw plus centering drill for good condition. Perforated disc. The degree on the inside is large. Too much pressure, feed was used. Mounting the sealing cap. Prevent operation by unauthorized persons. After making the pipe, provide the closing cap with a sealing weld. Fully welded systems are considered state-of-the-art in buried piping systems. The sealing weld is carried out using the manual arc welding method. The reliable and compact BALLOMAX tapping system allows you to create new branches from your piping system without interrupting operations. BALLOMAX tapping valves are available from DN15 to DN100 with reduced or full bore. Please do not hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.